Now children, let us continue tangent and normal, that is application of derivative topic is going on. Now let me start tangent and normal. See, tangent and normal definitely either increasing, decreasing or tangent and normal, one question they will ask. So what is a tangent and normal? Now see, equation of tangent, everybody knows about it, equation of tangent. What is the equation of tangent? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. What is m here? That is slope of tangent. What is m? That is slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. That is slope of tangent. How do you get? That is equal to dy by dx. That is equal to dy by dx at the x1 y. Then we will get the slope of tangent. Now what is the equation of normal? Equation of normal. Equation of normal. Equation of normal is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 upon m into x minus x1. So minus 1 by m is called the slope of normal. This is slope of normal. Clear? Slope of normal. Now see, if two curves touch each other, now touch each other means like this. So what is the conclusion? The tangent line should be common. So what are the steps? Let me explain. First you do one thing. So find the slope of first curve. Find the slope of curve 1. That is you say m1. Okay. Now next to slope of curve 2. So that is m2, that is at x1 y1. Okay. Then you should know what is point of intersection. Both curves are intersecting, touching at one point. So then find the point of intersection. Find the point of intersection means solve both curves. Solve both curve 1 and 2. Solve curve 1 and 2 so that you get point of intersection. That is what we say x1 y1. Then m1 you find out the x1 y1 at x1 y1, and then m2 at x1 y1 at x1 y1. If m1 equal to m2, if m1 equal to m2 implies both curve touch each other. In case if both are perpendicular, then m1 into m2 equal to how much? Minus 1. So once again, if two curves touch each other are perpendicular, then you have to do one thing. First to find the point of intersection, that is x1 y1. Then slope of first curve at x1 y1, slope of second curve at x1 y1. If m1 equal to m2, then both curves touch each other. If m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, then both are perpendicular. Now number 3, if tangent line parallel to x-axis, parallel to x-axis, then x-axis means the slope is 0, then what we will get? dy by dx is equal to 0. If you take dy by dx equal to 0 so that you can get value of x, then substitute in given curve, you get value of y, means point you will get it. If tangent line parallel to y-axis, then naturally the slope is how much? Infinity. That's why we say dx by dy equal to 0. That is the slope of normal, what we say equal to 0. That is dx by dy equal to 0. From these you can get value of x, substitute in given curve, automatically you will get value of y. That means you will get point. Okay, clear? Then you should know how to find the slope of a line. While slope of line, suppose any line, they are saying slope of line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That is m equal to minus coefficient of x upon what is coefficient of y. That like this you can find the slope of line. Otherwise even you can convert into y equal to mx plus c. Now what I am saying, this is tangent and normal. See, if they say normal is parallel to any line, see, for example, if normal line, let me draw the diagram. Now these type of questions they will definitely ask. Are you clear all these things? Just to revise all concepts. Now suppose if the question comes like this, see, That is, now this is one curve given, y equal to f of x. Okay, fine. Now this is tangent line. If tangent line perpendicular to one line given, then what step we can do? So step number, if another diagram, if tangent line parallel to another line, in both steps what we have to do? So this y equal to fx, that is given curve, and line is given to you. So now step number 1, find the slope of curve, find the slope of tangent. Step number 1, find the slope of tangent. Okay, fine. Then step number 2, find the slope of line. I told you how to find the slope of line. Then find the slope of line. Slope of line. So now in this case, if tangent line perpendicular to another line, there is no link between this line and this curve. Only link between this line and this line, tangent line. If find the slope of line, then step number 3. If perpendicular, then I told you m1 into m2 equal to -1. If parallel, then you have to keep m1 equal to m2 so that we get x. So that we get value of x. So value of x. Now substitute x in given curve. Mind it. What I told you, this value of x don't substitute in this line because there is no link between this line and this curve. Only this is a tangent point. So mind it. So if we are finding value of x, that is substitute in given curve so that you get value of y. Okay, that is x1, y1. Then you know our usual procedure, how to proceed it. In case if they say normal line is parallel to, so you have to read the question very carefully what they are saying. Accordingly, you have to take it. Whatever I explained to you, nothing is difficult here. Suppose if the tangent, if the normal line is parallel to another line, then you have to do one thing, slope of normal, find it. So that's why I am telling you, read the question very thoroughly. So first to find the slope of normal. Slope of normal you know about it, that is minus dx by dy. Then find the slope of line, then equate both. So by mistake, if you are equating slope of tangent and this line, that is completely wrong. So read the question, what they say. If tangent line parallel to another line, then you know condition. If tangent line perpendicular to another line, what is the condition? If normal line parallel to another line, then what is the condition? You should make bifurcation, then it is quite easiest one. So here tangent and normal, what I told you, how to find the equation of tangent and normal, and then how to find the points, and then next what I told you, if tangent line parallel to another line, if tangent line perpendicular to another line, if two curves touch each other, if two curves are perpendicular, then what we have to do? That's all. That's it. So you have to do practicing NCERT. So many questions are given. So nothing is difficult in this tangent and normal. Now another topic is approximation. There is another topic is what is it? Approximation. Approximation. Simple formula. Just give me let you know one question. Now let me first write formula f of x plus delta x is equal to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. This is simple formula. Okay. Now suppose for example find the approximate value of, simple example I am taking 25.4 whole power 1 by 2. Okay. So simple example let me take. Now this is, so f of x plus delta x, that is equal to x. Delta x is a small change in x, may be positive, may be negative. Now I can divide this, becomes 0.4 whole power half. So now what is x here? 25. And what is delta x? Delta x is equal to 0.4. And what is now, as per formula, you need f of x and f dash of x and delta x. Already we have delta x. Now f of x, what is the function here? Function is under root. Function, what is function here? Under root. Now that is equal to, I am taking this x, I am taking function of this root x, that is equal to under root of 25, that is equal to what we will get it 5. Now we need as per formula f dash of x, so we are getting f of x equal to 5. Now f dash of x, now differentiate this one. By mistake, don't differentiate this one. If you are differentiating this, automatically it becomes a 0. That's why first I am writing root x, then take it under root of 5. Now that is equal to f dash of x equal to root x. The differentiation is 1 upon 2 root x. That is equal to, already you have root x value 1 upon 2 into 5. That is equal to 1 by 10. So that is equal to 0.1. Clear to you? Now you have all the values. So just to substitute in the formula. So naturally you will get answer. That is 25.4. The whole power 1 by 2. That is equal to, what is f of x? F of x is a 5. And plus f dash of x 0.1 into delta x 0.4. That's equal to 5 plus 0.04. So that's equal to 5.04. Are you clear? It is so easy approximation. Just I have shown one question how to solve this. So whatever the difficulty question, you can get to answer through this formula. Clear to you? Now this is approximation. Now the last topic here, maximum minimum. This is a very vast topic, maximum minimum. Even then, let me conclude this topic also. So maximum minimum, we have 3 tests. Number 1, without derivative test. Maybe they can ask, that is now next topic I am taking, maximum and minimum. Okay, fine. Now what I told you, there are 3 tests. Number 1, without derivative. Just give me one example. Let me know one example without derivative test. So how can we find maximum and minimum value without derivative test? So for example, let you know 2 example. Example 1. F of x equal to, suppose if they say x minus 1 whole square plus 3. Find the maximum or minimum value for this function. Maybe 1 or 2 more question they can ask. Now see, that is without derivative means you should have one reality. So what is the reality? For every x belongs to R, this x minus 1 whole square always greater than or equal to 0. Okay, fine. Now if you need f of x added both sides 3, this is a reality. Either the algebraic function should be whole square, otherwise should be modulus. Suppose if it is odd degree, there is no maximum, there is no minimum, minded. If you have reality, then only you can go for without the derivative. Otherwise, it is not at all possible. Now, x minus 1 the whole square plus if I am adding both sides 3. So that means I am getting f of x which is greater than or equal to 3. Therefore, the maximum value of x is maximum value of here is minimum value. Minimum value of fx is minimum value of fx is 3 and the maximum value we cannot decide. Okay, fine, up to infinity it will go. Now let me take another one more example without the derivative. In case if they say sin 2x plus 3, sin 2x plus 3 or plus 2, whatever they have given like this. So how to do this one? Trigonometric ratio. Either they will ask sin or cos, tan we cannot. Because, why I am saying, I told you without a derivative means you should have one reality. Now what is the reality? The value of sin 2x always lies between minus 1 to 1. The same thing cos x also lies between minus 1 to 1. But tan x lies between minus infinity to plus infinity. That's why they will not ask it here tan value. Clear to you? Now this is reality, everybody knows about it. But if you want f of x, then you have to add both sides. Throw the plus 2, so that is sin 2x. That means R campus you should bring the given function here. That is 1 plus 2. So 1 which is less than or equal to, I am getting here f of x which is less than or equal to 3. So therefore, maximum value of fx, maximum value is 3 and the minimum value is 1. Clear to you what I am saying? Minimum value is 1. Like this, without a derivative test we have to do. Now next one, what is it? First derivative test, that is local maximum or local minimum. See, that is not mandatory how to use only first derivative, that is up to your choice. But local maximum, local minimum means you have to use first derivative. So what is the first derivative test? For example, let me take one question, f of x equal to, for example, x cube, otherwise x square minus 1. Let me take. Okay, fine. Simple question I am taking, find the maximum and minimum value of this or that is first derivative. That means they ask find the maximum minimum value use with the local maximum, local minimum. That means what I told you, local maximum, local minimum means you can use first derivative or second derivative. Suppose if you are facing problem in first derivative, then you have to use second derivative. Clear to you, but do not leave the question. That's my note. Now you have to do the procedure f dash of x, that is equal to 2x. Now let f dash of x equal to 0. This implies what I am getting, x is equal to 0. Whatever the value you are getting, nearest left value, nearest right value, each factor, each value, you have to check nearest right, nearest left. Whatever we have done in increasing, decreasing, the same way. There we have divided the interval. Here we are checking left and right. Now I am taking left at 0, and right at 0. Each value, I told you each value. Right at how much? 0. Left at 0, I am taking that is equal to minus 0.1, x is equal to minus 0.1. Here right at 0, x is equal to plus 0.1. Let me take. Now substitute in where f dash of x. Substitute in where f dash of x. If I substitute here, that is we will get minus 0.2. And here if I am substituting f of x equal to f dash of x is equal to, that is plus 0.2. If the sign is that is negative and this is what? Positive. If f dash of x, the sign changes from negative to positive, then we say this is local minimum. Implies f of x is local what we say? Local minimum. And its minimum values are under its minimum values. So f of, that is at which point? 0, f of 0 equal to, and 0 minus 1. That means I am substituting here f of x, that is 0 minus 1 equal to minus 1. So what I told you, maximum minima, that is local maxima, local minima means that is first derivative test. First derivative test, what is the procedure? Either Tudor function, either log function, exponential, algebraic, whatever. Don't bother, don't care about it. So you find first f dash of x. Now let f dash of x equal to 0, find the value of x. Whatever 2 value, 3 value, 4 value, whatever the value you are getting, then you should check for each value, left hand and right hand. If the sign is changed, substitute in where f dash of x, nearest left value in f dash of x, nearest right value in f dash of x. In the sign is changes from negative to positive, then we say fx is a local minimum. If the sign is changes from positive to negative, then we say local maximum. So whatever the value you are checking, substituting given function, you will get automatically maximum or minimum value. This is called local maximum, local minimum. So what is second derivative? Suppose if you are facing problem in first derivative test, so you can use definitely second derivative test. What I am saying, do not leave the question. Either first derivative test or second derivative test, you can use it. So what is second derivative test? Second derivative test, everybody knows about that one. It's very familiar. That is first derivative test. You have to find the f dash of x. F dash of x, what will we get to 2x? So let f dash either first derivative or second derivative be tangent normal, increase and decreasing. Up to this is same step of what I am saying. Okay, f dash of x equal to 0, 2x equal to 0, x is equal to 0. Then you have to find f2 dash of x, f2 dash of x, that is equal to what we are getting? 2. f2 dash of x is 2. This is automatically we are getting 0, implies fx is minimum. Fx is what? Fx is minimum. And the minimum value, if you want to find the substitute, instead of x is 0, that's we will get minimum value is how much? Minus 1. So for second derivative test, what we have to do? Find the f dash of x. Let f dash of x equal to 0, so that you get value of x. Then find the f2 dash of x. Substitute value of x in f2 dash of x. If you are getting less than 0, we say maximum. If you are getting greater than 0, we say minimum. That is second derivative test. Clear to you? Now anyhow, this maximum minimum, we have word problem. So definitely they will ask one question for this word problem. Thoroughly NCERT question you have to do. Even then, let me give some steps of word problem. First you have to find given condition. What is given condition? Given condition means maybe volume given, maybe surface area given, maybe radius given. So what is given? That you have to find out. Now step number 2, what is maximum minimum you have to check. So they are saying maximum volume means you have to prove volume is maximum. So do not read a complete question. First you try to understand what is given, what we have to prove, which one is maximum, which one is minimum, up to this. So first you complete your target. Now what is maximum or minimum? Maximum or minimum. Now another step, what you have to do, substitute whatever you are find the given condition. Given condition you have to do one thing, reduce in terms of one variable. In terms of one variable, that means in terms of one variable. Let me explain what is it. For example, suppose if they given surface, total surface area, that is cylinder, total surface area, cylinder, total surface area of cylinder, closed cylinder, open cylinder, different formula we have. You know about formula already, I taught all the formulas. Now suppose this is 2 pi RH and then 2 pi R square. This is closed cylinder formula. I have given total surface. So here is two variable, that is R is also variable, height is also variable. So you have to reduce, what I am saying, find the given condition. Another step, very immediately you have to reduce in terms of one variable. Either you bring the value of R or otherwise you bring the value of H. You cannot bring value of R because it is a quadratic. So we can find. That's why I am saying that's equal to 2 pi R square, the whole upon 2 pi R. Like this you have to reduce in terms of one variable. Then what is maximum minimum? You understand the maximum minimum, which one is volume or whatever maximum minimum given. Then substitute whatever, substitute step number 1 into 1 into means whatever you have reduced. For example here I have taken closed cylinder, okay, closed cylinder surface, maybe volume maximum. Volume is, what is volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. Now you have to substitute 1 and 2 means whatever you have reduced in terms of one variable, substitute here. So that is a pi r square into s minus 2 pi r square, the whole upon 2 pi r. Now simplify this one. If r will be cancelled, pi will be cancelled. So v equal to what we will get it? 1 upon 2 into, we are getting SR minus 2 pi r cube. Are you clear? So what I told you, step number 1, what is given condition? Reduce in terms of one variable. Now you have to read the question, what is maximum minimum? That's the example I am saying, that is closed cylinder, what is given here? Surface given. So surface I have reduced here. You have to prove what they are asking. Volume is maximum. So volume formula you know, pi r square h. Substitute whatever you have reduced in volume, then we are getting this. Now you go for second derivative test. You know about second derivative test. What is second derivative test? Now see here. So that is first v dash that is equal to, means understood we are differentiating with respect to r. So that is equal to 1 upon 2 into s minus 6 pi r square. Now that is v dash equal to 0. You know second derivative test implies s is equal to 6 pi r square. Always you do one thing, whatever given surface given, you should bring the answer in terms of given. That is easy for you to prove the answer whatever they are asking. So this implies r equal to under root of s upon 6 pi. Then you have to find up to when you say maximum or minimum, then only you are completing your target. That's keep in your mind. Now finding v2 dash means 1 upon 2 into it becomes 0 minus 12 pi r. Naturally it becomes less than 0 when r equal to, because r never comes negative. Whenever it s upon 6 pi. So now whatever you are getting the value, so we have proved this implies volume is, what we have proved, volume is maximum. Now you have to do one thing, whatever you are getting answer, substitute in given, whatever you have reduced here, substitute here. So therefore h is equal to, if I substitute instead of s is 6 pi r square, so 6 pi r square minus 2 pi r square, the whole upon 2 pi r. So that means h is equal to what I am getting, 4 pi r square, the whole upon 2 pi r. So that is equal to pi cancel, r cancel 2. That is h is equal to 2r, that means h is equal to diameter. So what is the question? Of all closed cylindrical cans, a given surface and volume is maximum such that height of cylinder equal to diameter of the base. See, even I did not see the question, I did not give you question, even then we brought answer. So what I am saying, you try to understand for maximum minimum each question. Step number 1, what is the given condition? Reduce in terms of one variable as per your comfortability. Then substitute what they are asking, maximum or minimum. Then go for second derivative test. So whatever you have answer in first derivatives test, substitute in given condition, automatically you will get answer, final answer. So be confident that this maximum minimum word problem, definitely one question will come. So this application of derivative is a vast topic. NCERT itself, so many questions are there, including miscellaneous. Do confidently, definitely you can attempt this topic. Do not hesitate and do not panic about this topic. It is very easiest one. Are you clear? Now I have completed this first book, all chapters. It is your duty, do it properly. Then you can score well marks. Good. Now let us continue second part.